So should you be on YouTube or should you be creating videos for Facebook? The age-old question now that Facebook loves video. Well, today we're going to talk about the pros and the cons of both and which one you should be focusing on. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Just the Tips with Trina, where I provide online entrepreneurs quick tips on creating video content and business strategy while I normally sip on some coffee or wine. But since I'm cooking a baby for another 4 more months, no coffee or wine for me. If you aren't subscribed to this channel, make sure you go ahead and click this button right here, right now. Okay, so Facebook or YouTube. You're creating video or you're thinking about creating video and you really want to know where should you be spending your time. The first thing I want you to really think about is what is your end goal? Because knowing what your end goal is really going to help you determine where you're going to focus your time. Do you just want views or do you want a video that will grow naturally and organically throughout time? First, let's look at Facebook pros. Obviously, Facebook video is getting a lot of views because Facebook is boosting videos to the top of their news feed. So that is one great opportunity that you have with Facebook. You also are getting a lot of views being on Facebook, and it's much easier for your video to become kind of viral just by being in those news feeds. It's also just great for real-time success because let's face it, we're always constantly on Facebook, so your audience is always on that platform. Let's talk about the cons of Facebook video. So like I said, it's really great for views, but let's talk about those views real quick. Facebook counts a view on a video as 3 seconds. That means somebody's scrolling through their feed, they could have sneezed and landed on your video and not even watched it, but it was counted as a view. So you're kind of getting a skewed measurement of what your views on your video actually are. One of the biggest cons, I think, of Facebook is the lack of searchability. So once you create this video and you post it, once it's out of people's news feed, it's kind of gone. There's no option for people to actually search that content and find it on their own. You also need to be aware that the average amount of watch time on a Facebook video is only 15 seconds. So you really have to be mindful in the amount of time that your videos are going to be that you post on Facebook. All right, so now let's move on to the pros of YouTube. Obviously, the biggest pro for me is that searchability. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, so your content is getting access to so many people for basically ever, as long as that video is published on your channel. It's also great because people are actually searching out your content. So you know this is the audience that you want because that's the content they're looking for. They're not just like falling upon it, they're actually searching out your specific content or message that you are giving. They're actually pushing that play button, so you know they want to see the content that you're providing. It's also great for free organic traffic and kind of just that long-term results. I really like to think of YouTube as fine wine because your videos really do just get better with time. And finally, one of the pros is a view on a video in YouTube is a view because somebody has to watch your video for at least 30 seconds for YouTube to count it as a view. So in that 30 seconds, that person's gonna realize if you're for them or not. If they click out, then you obviously weren't for them, and that's fine because that's not who you're trying to reach. So that's a really big pro that YouTube gives you. One of the biggest cons of YouTube is it's kind of a clunky platform. It's kind of hard to figure out. It's not really just a plug and play type deal. There's a lot of behind the scenes stuff going on with YouTube that really can just bog you down and confuse you and not really know what to do with it. It really can be hard to get views on YouTube if you don't know what you're doing, if you don't know how to optimize your video. So it can take a lot longer for you to actually grow a channel or grow a video and for people to see that video on YouTube. It's not that instant success that you're gonna see on Facebook. So what's the right answer? Which one is it? Well, sorry, I'm saying both. I will make a video and post it on YouTube, but I'll also take a 10 to 15 second teaser clip from that video and upload it natively to Facebook. Because just by posting that link from YouTube onto Facebook, you're not really going to get the views because YouTube and Facebook really don't talk well. They don't like each other because they are competitors. So I will upload natively to Facebook a little teaser clip, and in the caption tell people if they want to see the whole video, head over to my YouTube channel. I'll post a link and have that call to action to send them over to my channel. So I want to know, what other questions do you have about Facebook and YouTube? Do you have any questions about what types of video to be posting? Anything, let me know down in the comments section below. Also, if you want to submit me questions, feel free to do so. I will feature you here on my channel answering your questions in a video. If you'd like more one-on-one attention on creating videos for your Facebook or your YouTube, my Academy Brand Building Video is now officially open. I'm accepting students for the fall enrollment, which class officially begins September 5th. If you want more information on this academy, I will link it right up here and down in the description box. It's really just a great 6-week program to learn the ins and outs of video to really help your business grow with video content. If you guys found this video helpful and you think somebody that you know would love to see it, make sure you share it on Facebook or Twitter by clicking those share buttons down below. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.